Today we'll be unboxing the XOLO Black. Hi everyone, I'm Samit from Gadgetry. XOLO's new phone comes packed with two rear cameras. One 13 megapixel and the other 2 megapixel. The 2 megapixel one is meant for depth sensing and it's not bionic unlike the UI Honor 6 Plus. So let's get into the unboxing. We are greeted by the phone and two green bands which look good. Let's take a quick look at the phone. The dual cameras, they look sharp. So let's get into the box contents. You get a packet or a sleeve sort of, which is very distinctly similar to the one which you get in iPhone box. Opening it up, you get the same remote tray and the plethora of manuals which you normally get. First up is the user manual, introduction to Hive, and offer phone roll up Vodafone, which basically gives you 1 GB for 2 months per month, 1 GB per month for 2 months. Inside you get is a charger and all the stuff, normal stuff. No headphones are included in this. So let's put it back in fast. And then let's move on to the phone itself. The phone looks gorgeous. Let's turn it on. The glass panel on front and behind looks too good, but it's prone to smudges, a lot of smudges. It's a trait in Gorilla Glass. Even my Lumia 1020 gets so many smudges. It's taking a while to boot, even though I have configured the phone already. Let's take a look at the side, the volume rocker and the power key. The power key also has a notification light built in. This is good. The top has a noise cancellation mic and a headphone jack. Down there is the speaker and the mic on the left hand side and the USB port. The left edge there is the SIM tray, hybrid. Hive UI branding. The dual cameras. So let's unlock it. Actually, I have already configured the device, so I add the Hive secure pin. Let's get into the menu. Sorry for that noise. Let's get into the dual cameras. I'll show some sample which I had already clicked. I'll show the refocus sample. I'll show a demo of refocus. So let's refocus this fix. ubifocus, Adobe Studio. You can click on the part you want to focus and you can adjust the focus how much you want. It's great. It works most of the time. It's pretty neat what XOLO has done, and I hope it improves even better. That's all for the unboxing. Please like the video and please subscribe. Even if you don't want to subscribe, please subscribe. It will be of great support to me. Thank you.